Hello everyone, Sukinode here with another Street Fighter 6 video for you guys. Hope you've been taking care of yourselves and having a good day slash week. We are on our road to Diamond with Marisa, so let's go ahead and get into our matches. I feel like juries have been pretty sparse. Some modern jury too. Oop, nope, didn't react fast enough. Fair. That's not an... Oh, I pressed the button because that's not an overhead. If only it were. Fair. Yeah, that's not an overhead. I went for phalanx. Okay, sure. Pretty sure I blocked there, but, you know, got me. I blocked the DP. I guess there was just too much recovery on my last move. Fair. Gotcha. The jump was ill-advised at the end. Fair. I don't think, as jury, I would have cashed out here, but meh, it's not me making the choices. That's not what I wanted. Win the quadriga. Didn't react fast enough. Didn't expect the jump. Didn't get the Gladius. Fair. Yeah, don't know why they did that, and I should have killed. She came out of it before I did. Alright, alright. Fair. Nope. Oh, I missed. Okay, so she likes to do that and then jump. Didn't get my... Thanks. I'll take that, but... Didn't get it. Didn't get my quadriga. Ugh, I should have been looking for it. Should have been looking for it. Alright. I think I'm playing around too much. Fair. No. Gotcha. Cash out. Caught my toes. What? It didn't give me my Damacaris! Jesus, man. Come on, game. Stop being annoying. Fair. Wasn't sure. Yeah. Okay, so she just does that. Okay. It's really unsafe, because if I block it, I don't know, even if she EXs it, I don't think that's safe. Fair. She jumped in and I didn't stop the jump in. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I was just trying to do Gladius. Okay. So what, all the Ryus, most of the Ryus are just sitting in platinum? Okay. Moment I stood up. Gotta remember not to. Didn't respond to the DI. Wow, and still had enough time to whiff and punish. Fair. And still had enough time to whiff on that and punish. Wow. Nope, didn't get my phalanx. Went for phalanx there. Went for phalanx there. I DI'd! Like, what? Fair. Really? Could not punish him there, huh? I was crouch blocking still. Sure. Yeah, didn't have the health. I saw the kick coming, but I didn't have the health. I don't know. I'm always just so unsure as to how to approach a Ryu, because they have so many options. But didn't want Damacaris. Don't know how I got it. Really? Didn't have enough time, huh? Okay. I hit it very early in its animation, but didn't have enough time. Nope. Fucked up my spacing. Yeah, got me. I was expecting the fireball. Yeah, approaching Ryu is just so weird. Like, it's not that it's weird, I just don't know how. I don't know how to approach this. Because, especially Ryus that like to just do whatever. Sure. Fair. And missed again. Yeah. Level 1, didn't get it. Yeah, because I couldn't block it. This might be terrible. Their connection is fluctuating. It's already teleporting? Oop, okay. I Gladius. Every fucking time I stand up. I can't. Is it me, or do you guys see how the game is like tearing itself apart? Like I can't actually react to anything. Like their connection came up and dropped to 1 bar, and I was like, oh boy. Command grab. Nope. I punched it. It's not invincible. As soon as I went to jump. Yeah, I kind of figured you were going to do something, so I jumped. Oop, didn't mean to do that. Oh. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Yeah, the game is like doing weird shit. Sure. Really? Fair. Gotcha. I don't know why, I just felt like a follow-up was coming, so I immediately charged up Gladius. I was actually expecting a drive impact. Alright guys, we're gonna end our matches there today. I hope you guys continue to take care of yourselves, continue having a good day, a good week. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It's good for the channel and it's free for you. And I will hopefully see you in the next video. Later guys.